I'm Niharika and back with a new lesson for you. Let's see what are we going to learn today. Well, we are going to learn the difference between there, and there. Now while writing English, you may stumble over these commonly confused words. They are homophones, they sound similar, but they are used differently. So that's what we are going to learn today. We are going to look at the difference between these words and of course how to use them correctly. So let's get started. Now we have there, T-H-E-I-R. Now this indicates possession. And it is a third person plural possessive adjective. So which shows that something belongs to them. To understand it better, let's have a look at a couple of examples here. We have you met their son? Now if you see, have you met their son? It shows possession, right? So this is a third person plural possessive adjective. Let's have a look at another one here. This is their dog. Now again, whose dog is it? Their dog, right? So here again, we are indicating possession. So the dog belongs to them, right? The other one that we have over here is the airline found their missing baggage. Now, of course, the airline found something and they found the missing baggage. And whom does it belong to? It belongs to them. And that's exactly why we have used the word there over here. Now, most of the times, the word there, that is T-H-E-I-R, is followed by a noun. Almost. And usually, except for serving as an adjective, there has no other usage in English language. So it's pretty simple. Once you understand the rule that it indicates possession, then you would know when to use it correctly. Now let's look at the functions of the word there. Now let's have a look at the word there. Now there functions as an adverb, as an adjective, pronoun, noun, and interjection. So let's see how do we use the word there. Now when there functions as an adverb, it refers to a place. And in fact, it's the opposite of the word here. For example, when you say, you can sit over here. So rather than saying the word here, of course, when you have to use the word there, you would say that you can sit over there. Or please sit over there. So it's referring to a place. And that's when we are using the word there as an adverb, right? Now let's have a look at there as an adjective. Now when there is used as an adjective, it is used to emphasis. In fact, emphasizing which person. Let's see at an example here. Ask that man there. So here you are emphasizing which person. Ask that man there. Or that person there will tell you the directions. Okay, so here you are emphasizing which person. Therefore, the word there acts as an adjective. Right? Now let's have a look at pronoun. When the word there functions as a pronoun, it is introducing a clause or a sentence. So it's introducing a clause or a sentence. For example, there is no hope. So rather than just saying no hope, we are using the word there to begin a sentence, to introduce a sentence, there is no hope, or there are too many people in the elevator. So here you're using the word there as a pronoun to introduce a clause or a sentence. And when you have to use the word there as a noun, it refers to a point or that place. For example, if you look at the sentence over here, he stopped and went on from there. So here, there indicates a point, a place. So he stopped and went on from there. Or we jogged from there to the end of the block. So here I'm indicating a point, and that's exactly why we are using the word there as a noun. And then lastly, there is also used as an interjection. Interjection, well, that means exclamating, okay, expressing your feelings. So as an interjection, the word there expresses the feeling of relief, satisfaction, it expresses relief or satisfaction. For example, there, it's done. Okay, so here you're relieved, you're satisfied, thank God it's done. So therefore you are using the word there as an interjection. There, I found your pen. So again, you are expressing your satisfaction or relief that finally I found your pen. Okay, so this is the way you would use the word there. And now let's have a look at the word there. So we will see how do we use that. Now let's have a look at the word there. Now there is pretty simple. It's the contraction of these two words, that is they and are. And it is pronounced as there. Let's have a look at examples over here. They're the best. So they're the best. So you are using the contraction of the words they and are. So rather than using they are the best, you are saying they're the best. We have another one over here. I'm happy they're coming tomorrow. So I'm happy they're coming tomorrow. So rather than saying I'm happy they are coming tomorrow, you're using there. So I'm happy they're coming tomorrow. So this is the way you would use the word there. Now, of course, these three words are homophones. They sound similar, but hope you have learned the difference between them and how to use them correctly. Well, what you can do is you can also take a test and let me know how much did you score. And I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.